Alright, let me make sure I'm looking good. I'm framed up. Alright. My name is Tery Wilson, and this is my Ursa Mini 4.6K low light and audio test. When I first got this camera, I know I'm not the only filmmaker that searches around YouTube or the internet, and I try to find people that have similar setups that use those same setups in similar situations that I would. So when I was looking around for the Ursa Mini 4.6K footage, I didn't find that many tests that were feasible for similar situations like I have. And hopefully other filmmakers out there like myself who are searching for a gear that they're planning on upgrading to find this test useful. Because when I did this test, I wanted to make sure that my new upgrade will work with my current audio setup. My current audio setup is pretty much set up like a run and gun situation. I upgraded from the Blackmagic Cinema camera 2.5K version, and I usually run a shoulder rig setup, and I have my Rode wireless Filmmaker kit plugged straight into my Tascam, and I run my audio that way because I know I can sync my audio in post and I can mix my own audio. So that setup was feasible for me. So when I got the new Ursa Mini 4.6K, I wanted to make sure that I can still use that same similar run and gun setup, you know, which is my audio attached to my shoulder rig, which is my main style of shooting. So check it out. Let's see, the boom mic is attached to the channel 1. Damn that. Damn AC turned off. Okay. And let me give me some light. Wow. That 4.6K ain't no joke. Hello, hello. Alright, this is a test with my mic 6 feet away from me. I have it plugged into the Tascam. So hopefully you can hear me clearly. And I have it plugged in through the line out. Let me get a little light. Hey Terry. Now we can see you. And we got the boom mic plugged in, running to the Tascam, and from the Tascam going into the line out. All right, so hopefully that test is good.